First, you will need to go to Joomla.org. Once here, you will find the download files that you need on the main page. By going to the Joomla 1.5 download link, clicking here, you will see a bunch of files. Depending on the number, click the one closest to the top under .zip or tarball if you have a tarball unzip program. Download the zip file so that it will correspond with the 7-zip program which I have provided for you in the package for those of you who do not have zip software. Here is our file we've downloaded into our folder, and now we will need to unzip this file. To do that, you can go to the 7-zip link here. You can say extract files. Once you've clicked on this link, you then can click OK, and the files will start to extract. Once these files have extracted here, we will then need to open the FTP program using FileZilla, which I have provided for you as well in the package. Once these files are extracted, we will go ahead and open them up so that you can see the contents of the files which we will be uploading with FileZilla to our FTP so that they are on our server. There we go. Click that, open it up. You can see here we have our files and folders which we will need to run our system. Let's go ahead and open